You know, the retirement crisis solution is hiding in plain sight. There are millions of people over the age of 62 that are not living their best retirement. They don't have enough money to do the things that they really thought they could do in the so-called golden years. Many of you have heard the Acres of Diamonds story, that someone searched all over the world for wealth and for something that was special, and they found that it was just buried in their backyard. Well, a lot of your money that you've saved over the years is kind of like sitting in a glass case in your living room. There's hundreds of thousands of dollars in home equity. Imagine what that would do if you put that to work in your retirement, and what a difference it would make for not only you, but for your family and for the enjoyment that you can have moving forward. Contact a retirement mortgage professional today to learn more about the HECM product.